So you can see here back of Apple Store. iPhone is right in here. Lovely pack. To take this out from here. Beautiful. Look at this box of iPhone 17 Pro Max. iPhone is right in here. White beautiful box. Here Apple logo. Lovely 3 camera module. iPhone here right in. Lovely. Wow, all the information here, the sticker and other things you write in. Very sleek box as always from Apple. So in this case, without any further ado, I'm gonna tear apart from the top. So here we go. I'm taking off from this side. Wow, lovely. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's take this box out. Slowly, here we go. Wow, beautiful color. Wow, magnificent. You can see one paper here covered the display. The body, magnificent. Magnificent color. I think is one of the best color for iPhone 17 Pro Max, because orange is ugly. This is blue version, doesn't have no physical SIM. This is the American version, eSIM only. So we'll go to the box. What we have inside here, the data cable, you can see, lovely prepared setup here. Then some Apple sticker here, some manual, nothing important. No more charger. For many years we don't have any charger. Okay, here we go, the phone guys. You can see, lovely, beautiful. Obviously, you know, we have 348 megapixel camera here, the sensor, flash. So without any further ado, I take this off. Wow, beautiful. Lovely skin. Skin is the same as iPhone 16 Pro Max in this case. The size is similar. Lovely. We have dynamic island. Bottom you can see here is speaker grills, 2 sides, and USB-C for charging. This button you can see here, volume rocker, up, down, mute button, antenna line, and one new more antenna line here. This side you have power button, camera button, antenna line again. Beautiful body, very lovely. It's premium. I think only blue version of iPhone looks more premium than the other orange and silver, but is you have to be very careful because you can scratch any moment. You will have different problem. So without any further ado, I hit the power button. Here we go. Wow, beautiful Apple logo here. Magnificent. Wow. Hello, this is iOS 26. It comes with iOS 26 directly, so you don't need to upgrade or install. So let's see here, beautiful. This back side here, this is all unified aluminum body. So it's rare. Apple returned back from titanium to aluminum, so this is little bit rare for Apple, but although I feel very premium, this blue version of phone. Here you have glass backside. Maybe Apple says because of the heating purpose they put aluminum or something. I'm not sure about that totally, but to be honest, sometimes the titanium version would heat much than aluminum, is true on that case. Lovely. So here we go. We'll start from the top. We'll start from the beginning. Here is the power button of this phone. So you have to hold few seconds. When you see Apple logo, you have to leave this immediately, and we'll wait for different icon, different option. Perfect. Now we come to language option. So you have to decide language according to your country, place where you are. So in this case, I hit English. At the moment, I'm in Argentina, so it's detected Argentina directly. I hit this one. So here, appearance, you can leave default, medium or large. Here, I leave as a default. I hit continue button. Quick setup with another iPhone. I don't want to do any quick setup. I want to do manually. If you have older version of iPhone, you can do a quick setup. Everything will transfer from this one to that one. But I'm gonna do a new setup so you know how you can set up for the first time. So setup without another device. I hit this one. Okay, we have different internet here. So you have to connect with Wi-Fi. Here we go. I'm putting password. Then I'm hitting next button. Wi-Fi is connected. It may take some minutes to activate your phone. It may take few minutes to activate your phone. Software update. If you want to update now, if you want to update later, you can do that. In this moment, I don't want any update. Update later. I hit continue button. Age range. So this is for adult. Hit that one. Face ID. If you want setup now, you can do that. If you want to do later, you can do that later. I put setup later. Then you have to put a passcode. Passcode here twice. It's loading. Then if you want to back up from PC, from Android phone, from iPhone, you can do that. If you don't want to, in this case, I don't want to transfer anything. I hit don't transfer anything. Apple ID. In this case, you have to have Apple ID. If you don't have Apple ID, check my video, check the video description. You have many videos making Apple ID with iPhone 16, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 till iPhone 6. I have every year making a video about Apple ID. So put here your Apple ID and password. So I will put my Apple ID here. Then I hit continue button. I have to put my password. After putting password, hit next here. So I get notification in another phone here, another of my iPhone. I hit allow and I have to put the code from there. All looks good. Then I hit agree button here. It's loading my account. I have to update. I hit continue button. Set up later location service. If you want, you can do now. I hit OK button. Okay. Set up later cellular other things here. Card other things. If you want to pay with Apple Pay, you can do that. I hit set up later. Continue. Screen time. Other information. Don't share. Here light, auto, dark. I leave here auto. I hit continue. Apple Intelligence, I will do setup later. They don't work so much good anyway. Camera controller. I hit continue. Not now. Perfect emergency call. I hit continue button here. Get started. Here I click this button. Wow. Beautiful. Here the phone, everything looks as iPhone 16. Here I have another iPhone 16 Pro Max in this case. So they look quite similar as before. Obviously you have more RAMs here. Ages, I think I see a little bit more ages here, or is the same, doesn't matter. So everything is here. We have, if we open camera, let's see, new camera design. Cancel here. You want to see camera, video, continue. Wow, beautiful. So this is working, is fine. So this is the way you can set up your iPhone 17 Pro Max for the first time, no matter which color you have, or iPhone 17 Pro. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.